Alright, good morning, shadows. So we are on our way to Budva. I actually took an extra day here as well just to kind of do the beach and relax. So we are headed out. I am packed, but have a dilemma. So I bought this, and now I'm not sure where I'm putting it. And I don't really want to get rid of it. I paid 12 euros for it, so yeah. And it's going to be useful in other places. So trying to figure that out. Once I'm done with that, the bus doesn't leave to 10:30, so I have a little bit of time. I'm going to go down, relax, chill, and then yeah, head out about 10-ish, probably like 9:45-ish to the bus, and head to Budva for 3 days to see what's up there. Alright guys, so that's it. Yeah, that's it. See you in a little bit. So got to the hostel, really cool little place. Today I'm just going to show you the room, and then tomorrow we'll do like a full on like tour as I'm leaving. So this is the room. Really kind of cool. It has like a little privacy. It has like a little privacy drape. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can see in there, but we have like a little reading light, little place I can put all my stuff. There is like a little cord there. Has some great like little locked things on below, and wonder of all wonders, this place is super packed and I still got a bottom bunk, so that's exciting. They also have this cool like power strip, so that's pretty handy. I don't know if I can get over here so I can show you the view from my window. Probably not, but let me stick this out there and see if you can see anything. So, kind of cool. The staff seems really amazing. I just had a really good, like, pasta meal, so that's cool. And yeah, it's raining right now, so I'm kind of going to see if the weather clears up, and then maybe I'll go out and run around. If not, it'll just be work. So yeah, let's do some work. Hey, good afternoon, shadows. We are out and about getting some lunch, and then we'll head back and do some work. Today is a work day. Tomorrow we will do all our sightseeing. Yeah, I got a late start. We went and I kind of partied a little last night, so let's get lunch. So I had a great lunch, really good. A little more pricey than I had been paying in Olsen, but totally worth it. Walked around a little bit, got a couple pictures, and so now it's time to sit down and do some work. So yeah, here I go. Alright guys, so I just realized I told you I would give you a tour of the hostel. So yesterday you had a tour of the room, so I'm going to show you the common space, which is primarily the biggest part of the hostel, so check it out. So at night we all gather here and have a good time. Check it. So pretty cool, right? Pretty cool vibe. I still think I kind of like the hostel pirate better a little bit, just because it's a little bit chiller of a vibe. But it's awesome. It's amazing. I can't suggest, if you're coming to Budva, this is the hostel to stay at, for sure. Alright guys, so right back to work. If you can see, I'm working. Rendering out a video, so back to work. Alright. Good morning, Shadows. We're out and about today. We're doing all the historical sites, but first we have to get some money. And then, yeah, so let's go. So like I said, today we're just wandering around, working around Old Town as well as Budva themselves. And really, one of the main reasons we're running around Budva is just simply because I gotta find an ATM. There was an ATM in Old Town, but yesterday when I walked past it was blinking, so I would imagine it was not working. And I know I saw a Societal General up the ways a little bit, so we're gonna walk and see. But it's not bad, a little humid today. Alright guys, so finally got my money. Had to do a little bit of walking because the one ATM that I wanted to use, it just wasn't working properly. So now I think we'll get a little food and start our adventure through Old Town. Maybe do the museum, the Citadel, kind of wander around a little bit. But first, the all-important food. Alright, so I had to just try this. So I'm in Montenegro and I'm having Chinese food. So I think it's going to be interesting. I'm interested to see what it's like. But for the meal, it's like basically €9. So not too bad, you know. Let's see what happens. I'm interested. Check out the environment. So got my water, and now we're getting ready. We're gonna go to the Citadel first. I think we'll do the Archaeological Museum last, and then I'll be back to the hostel, shower, get comfortable, work, of course, per usual. The Chinese food was pretty interesting. I think, yeah, I mean, it was good. I don't necessarily know if I would have called it Chinese, but it was good. Interesting. All right, so let's go in.